Hi, look. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. Anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody home? Hello?
Oh,
Okay. Okay. Sip. Hi, look. How are you today? Hmm? How are you today? Look.
hello.
Yeah. How are you today? Are you good? Hello.
Sir?
Yeah. How are you today, look? Are you good? Why your microphone is turning on and turning off? What happened?
Ah, finally, I figured it out.
Okay. You ready?
My alt control was the alt button?
Hmm?
Yeah, my alt button was locked and I
Hmm?
pressed A,
Hmm. Okay.
so it just automatically.
Okay. Okay then. So we'll start our lesson today then ya. So sorry, I just accidentally sent you a wrong message, a wrong reminder about the hours ya.
Okay,
We'll
let me
start
go
at
open.
3 p.m. ya. Nah, anyway, we'll continue our lesson today, and it's still about data analysis, specifically about
Oh,
data visualization today ya. So, do you still remember what was the material that you learned on the previous week?
no.
No, nah. On the previous week, we already learned
I
about
still have that
data
file
cleaning.
open.
Hmm?
I still have the file open. Oh,
Yes,
the
yeah,
pivot table.
yes, data cleaning and also picture engineering. Now, today you learn about data visualization. It's yeah, there's about graphics and also illustrations um from your data. And what do you think? Why data visualization is important?
Uh, mm, it's not it important for proper analysis by hand instead of via algorithm and for
Yes.
presenting data.
Mhm. Yes. Okay. Uh, from this example, yeah. Which one do you think is the best to for people to read, especially average people? Yeah,
I don't understand.
you don't understand. Okay, which one do you prefer? Like, and which one do you think is better to read?
Huh?
Which one do you choose? Number one or number two?
Oh, number one,
Number one. Why?
because it's a more accurate representation.
Yes, there's some accurate definition from the from the data, but with the right picture, yeah, using pie chart, you can know you can get easily information from the picture itself.
I don't
Yeah.
I don't like pie chart.
Why? Why is that?
It's to me it makes it more confusing. I prefer
Mm,
this one, the bar chart or the Column chart. Column chart is the best.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that's actually can be like that. But some people think that
I really
sorry.
don't like the pie chart, but the column chart is good.
Some people think that using pie chart, they can easily know what is the proportion of their data. Oh, for example, this one, the blue one or the summer is the most highest proportion around of the data from the apart from all the categories of the season.
Yeah, but the pie
Yeah.
chart does not tell you the total number, so you don't know the number. You just know the proportion.
Yes, yeah. Sometimes we need to give the number ya, the exact number, so it's not confusing for the audience and stuff. Yeah, totally correct. Nah, so a lot of visualization we can use for data visualization. There are pie chart, linear graphs, bar chart, and many others. Yeah, so we can use Matplotlib to
Column
do
chart is
that.
the best.
Matplotlib, yeah. You can import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then you can use a lot of function in that. For example, you want to create a line chart, yeah. Then just create a new series from the pandas, and then
Why
s.plot.
not just do this in Excel? Easier, sir.
What is that?
Just copy the data into Excel.
Just copy what?
Just copy the data into Microsoft Excel or something.
Yeah, you can do with
So easier,
Excel.
just copy the data into Microsoft Excel.
Yeah, but sometimes the data is really big. For example, there's millions or maybe there are billions of rows. Excel sometimes can hold
Copy
it.
it anyways. Excel
Hmm?
can Excel can go to millions.
Yeah, what about billions? A lot of data.
You can just use multiple sheets.
Yeah, we can make several sheets and then just put it together. There's some way as well, yeah. So the first type is his. His is stands for the histogram, box plot, and scatter plot, and pie chart, bar plot, bar horizontal, and also line. Okay, that's all. We'll do it by hand. We'll do it practically. Do you have any question before we jump to the exercise?
What is bar H?
H is stand for horizontal.
So column chart.
Yes, column chart.
Okay, so bar H and line are the best.
Line is line chart. It's
Yeah,
like
I
linear
know.
regressions.
Unless I'm told to use other charts, I always use either bar H or line.
No, we'll try to use this one first.
Yeah, because the rest is for cat is this is histogram, box, scatter, pie, bar and bar H are for, all for categorical data, while line is for numerical.
Yeah. Have any questions?
No.
Okay, so please share your Visual Studio Code. Okay, open your Visual Studio Code.
My Visual Studio
Login
Code.
first, yeah.
Huh?
Why is not login? Have you logged to your account? Open the extension. Turn enable it, yeah.
Huh? Is it the answer? Is it this one?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. This one.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Pair the left circle to the right circle. It's like
Okay.
pairing the terminology and also its definitions. Totally correct. Are you sure? Scatter plot is not using the apa? It's not used for this one.
Huh?
No, we're not using scatter plot for searching median, lower. Nope.
Oh, that would be this one then.
Yeah, box plot. Sorry. Show the change. Yes, is this right? Relationship between parts. Yes. No. Wait, histogram. No, no. Yes. 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 Continue.
Mark the option on which the diagram will be constructed
This
by
one is the material, yeah, for the material today, for the today's material. You can click the link on the chat soon.
Okay, okay. Huh, that's not this, and that's not this, and that's not this, so that means it's only this. Process of elimination.
There are wait,
Oh, parameters.
there are two correct answers for this one.
Two correct answers?
N is his, yes, it's histogram. One option left. Yes.
Like automatically. The data to construct the diagram is. Is it this, sir?
Uh, there are two correct answers. We are not using plot and also pivot table.
Also,
Polycons and also group by. Yes. Checklist.
to construct the diagram as shown in the figure. I know this is bar H.
Nope.
Huh?
It's not bar H. But it's like a column chart. You already
This
correct.
is column chart though.
No, it's a bar chart.
Huh? So bar is column, bar H is bar.
But it's like this.
Yeah, that's not column chart. That's row chart. So bar is column chart.
Yes. No, but it's not this one. Okay. Checklist. Number seven. C for the x-axis and also y-axis. And what
This is
kind
a
of
box.
what
This
is
is a
that?
box. I don't know. Five? Five?
Hmm? No, the x-axis is rating, right? It's
Oh,
rating and also its
it's
number of
that.
genres. And then the coin is scatter. Uh, Number of genres. Genres? This one typo?
No?
Genres. Genres, yeah.
Yeah?
This one.
Oh,
You put D in there.
B. Why is there a D?
It's a
It's not
scatter,
box?
not box.
Huh?
Scatter.
I don't even know what a scatter or box is.
This one is scatter plot.
My advantage should be applied to the like
Pivot table, yeah. Number nine. There are five correct answers.
five
Five.
out of six are correct. That is true. How kind is bargaining? I don't know about the rest. One of these is true.
Don't choose layout to one, yeah.
That means it's
Okay.
so that means it's
Checklist.
true.
Okay, continue. Number, yes.
Huh?
Oh, no, no. Go back. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Why you cropped up? Number 11.
Yeah, I accidentally pressed number
Go
2.
to profile. Number 12. Okay, there are seven cases where you can choose. It's
Uh,
like a case study to do some visualization, to do some data visualization. It's really up to you. You can choose from number one to number seven, only one. Yeah, and then we'll do several visualization in there. Okay?
wait, sir, it's loading.
Yeah, I think because you okay, just close it like close again and then open again. Yeah, reopen, close it and reopen. No, no, close the Visual Studio. Close the Visual Studio. Yeah. Later on, you don't have to click no, yeah. Just click yes. Read the question first. Yeah, just minimize it. For the number one is exam results. Exam result. Now, if you have read it,
Oh, the
you
Zoom
can
stuff is
continue
so
to the number two.
annoying. How do I close the Zoom stuff?
Okay, you can just go to the number. Go to the next number.
Okay. Can you remove this annotation, sir?
Yeah,
How do I make this bigger? Select a hypothesis from the mind map. Make a plan where I can check. What is Trello, sir?
Trello is like a management tools for planning, but it's not necessary. We can skip that.
Buttons collect columns we'll need. Clean only the data that we need. Test the hypothesis. Generate new characteristics if needed. Test the hypothesis by calculating statistical indicators, filtering and grouping data. Test different data. Visualize. I don't understand the task.
What?
Uh, eh? What happened? Oh, I don't understand the task, sir.
Yeah, you can see from the data itself. You can go to the student performance in here. Now this one for the number one. Yeah, after you see the data, you can go to number two and go to the number three. You compare it. Which one do you want to choose? Go to number two. So basically, it's about the exam results. Yeah. Now number two, actually you just can read the title, then you can get know the whole data.
Countries of the
What will
world.
be this about? Countries of the world. Now go to number three.
Wait, what is the task? Mm,
The rest of it, it's just still the same
wait.
prompt for you. The difference is only on the title.
Okay. Donald's. Space flight. This one sounds interesting. Wait, how do I go back?
Which one?
Here, never mind.
Are you sure? You haven't go to the number six and number seven.
Okay, I think I want to do either two or four.
Which one?
Two or four.
Two and four. Okay. So for the first one is which one?
Huh?
Which one is the first one?
I want to do either two or four.
Okay. So number two is the
Wait,
first.
no, sorry, two or five.
Uh,
Two or five.
four, five. Okay.
Two or five. Which one do I
Okay.
do?
Which one is the first one?
Number one. This is number one. Two, five. Which one do I do, sir? Sir?
Yeah.
Which one do I do? Number two or number five?
Yeah. Which one is the first one? Look, you can do it together like two question at the same time. Which one is the first one?
Huh? I don't understand what you mean, sir.
Yeah. Which one? Just pick number. Just pick only one number. You can
Yeah.
pick.
I don't know which one to pick.
Huh?
I don't know which one to pick.
So I just pick it. Pick number one. Yeah. Okay.
No, sir,
So for the
between two
exam
and five.
result, we'll do.
Two or five.
Yeah. So which one?
Yeah, sir. I picked two and five. Pick one of those two.
Yeah, I pick number two.
Okay. Number two.
Okay. Wait.
Mission area. Hub density.
With the data
What's
first.
for a mile? The kilometer. Coastline. Net migration. And my time mortality. Literacy phones per 1,000. What is edible?
Edible. Edible. It's like you can eat it.
Edible, not
Huh?
edible.
Oh, arable. No, no, I don't know. We need to search it. Eh,
Crops, other climate, birth rate, death rate of agriculture industries.
Okay.
Okay, so what is edible?
Oh, it's like a place that you can crop something.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So China has 11% edible then.
Okay.
Oh, what? I still don't understand the task.
The task is you need to visualize the data. It's simple like that.
Okay, I guess.
Okay. Have you figured it out? What is the first step you need to do?
No, not
If you
really.
haven't, then this one, yeah, you need to import the libraries first. So we will use Matplotlib and also Seaborn. Seaborn is one of the libraries where you can import where you can use. Nah, this one. And then after you import the libraries, you can import the pandas as well. To read the data.
I don't I don't think I have this, sir.
Hmm?
Matplotlib. I don't think I have this.
Yeah, we can install it later on.
But Matplotlib. I don't think I have Seaborn either.
Yeah, we can install. Don't you worry. Just play it, yeah, to make sure as you install it or not.
Nothing's
Okay,
happened.
play it.
Yeah, I already did.
Okay.
There's nothing here. Nothing is happening.
Run with debugging.
Huh? What's
Run
there?
with debugging.
So fine.
Wait, I think you need to. Why there's no output in here? You can go back again. You can click the algorithmica in here and then go back. Reopen it. See, there's still no output in here. Uh, Close it again, yeah. Look, close again the Visual Studio Code and then just reopen.
Why does it keep failing? Finally.
Open number 12. Okay. No, no. Oh yeah, number 2. Okay. Play it or run with the debugging. Yes. So Matplotlib is already installed. Do you know how to install libraries from in Python?
Yes, it's pip.
Still remember?
Pip. Pip.
Pip install Seaborn. Yes.
And that's it, right? So what is happening right now?
Yeah, just play
What?
it again.
Why is so do you not see this?
Yeah, I can see that.
Why is that happening?
You can right click, right?
No.
Just share screen again.
Ah, what happened? Sir, what is on your face?
Hmm?
What is with your screen?
What happened?
Look at your screen, sir.
Yeah, I changed it. I'm using avatar.
What is that?
Okay, share your screen again, yeah.
There, screens.
Okay, and then the first step is you need to read the data, yeah. So you can read the data like this. Actually, you just can use this one. Nah.
This will read the first 10 lines, right?
Hmm.
What, sir?
Yeah.
Hide floating meeting controls.
Oh, you haven't print it. Yeah, we need to print it.
Control. Sir, why does it keep saying
Open launch JSON. No, you don't have to print world. Like you wrap it. You wrap the line 6 with print.
it works?
Okay. Okay, no worries. You can do that as well. And then now we'll do the apa data type conversion ya, because the data is dirty, so you need to
Clean.
clean it.
Oh, good. Oh, here, right, sir?
Yeah. Nah, because there's so many but there's so many columns that we need to clean. Uh, we can use loop, yeah. This one.
What is COLs?
Yes, you can put below line of that code. Yes, we are
Here?
using list and then just looping it.
Oh, so sir, why is this even here?
just just give you some basic information, and then we'll use the loop.
So I can just delete this,
Yeah, you can delete this,
make
but
the
you
code
need to
shorter.
move that to the list inside of this. But yeah, just put it back lah. The, you don't have to delete it and then just rewrite it.
What's that? Sir, what is colon calls?
What is that?
What is COL and COLS?
COL is like it's like you apa make a loop, right? It's like if you are using the looping, that means call is for the singular and calls is for the
Also,
list. Yeah.
I.
Okay. Yeah, you can use that.
Hmm. Done.
Finish? Okay, I'll play it.
Control F5.
Oh, educational attribute country. Uh, you can go to the line 5, yeah, and then add a new line below it, and then this one.
World dot column equals to str dot lower dot str dot replace.
Okay, play again.
Huh? Oh,
Oh no. No, I haven't read the error. Density, density.
population density, no?
How about you print the F info? The F info,
What's that?
world info, below line 6. Write it down. Yes. Okay, run it. Scroll up. Nah, no. Is there density column in here? If there's no density, just remove it. Yeah,
Top density.
remove, run it. Uh, Wait, there's no coastline. Also, just remove the coastline.
That means I think I also have to remove migration.
Yeah, okay, remove it either.
Wait, I want to test it out first. Make sure that migration.
Just look from the info. Just look from the info before. Is there any column in here? In there?
Here, migration. This is infinite. What? Huh?
Oh, okay. I got it. Control Z. Control Z, look. We need to rename the column. So that's why. Control Z again. No, okay. You can put this line, yeah, below line 7. We need to rename the whole columns because the column name is wrong.
Huh? Why
Put
not just
this put this code put this code below line 7. Yeah.
World of column equals.
Or actually, you can copy from the chat Zoom then, yeah. This one. We need to rename all the columns and just paste on the line 8, yeah. And the line 8. Paste in line 8. Yes. Okay. Play again. Run without debugging.
Control Alt Shift H. So Control Alt Shift H.
Okay. Finish.
Again, key error density.
Have you run it?
That's what I'm doing now. Key error
Oh,
density.
density.
Again.
What's wrong with it? Okay. So we can continue this one, yeah, later on. Look, I don't know. The data it's really dirty, and maybe we can finish it on the next session, yeah. Have any
No,
question, look?
uh, mm, no, sir, except for why this keeps happening.
Okay.
Because this should be correct, you said, right?
Yeah. Okay. Nice. So that's all for today's session, yeah. And then you already learned about data visualization, which is really good. You're already knowledgeable for this one. And then we'll continue on the next lesson. Yeah.
Yeah,
Bye
I
bye, look.
always learned that in my math class.
Ah, okay. So
I
that's why.
already learned that in the math class, like a lot.
Yeah. Good for you. Bye,
And
look. Good afternoon.
my best subject is math, actually, so
Ah.